Motion-based mold design is not about animation. It is about validating engineering decisions before steel cutting. This project demonstrates a high-precision consumer appliance mold featuring a hydraulic rack-driven unscrewing mechanism. The mold is built in a 1-2 configuration using DME standards, with a hot-to-cold runner system and submarine gating, instead of using an intermediate gear reduction system. The hydraulic cylinder drives the rack directly, allowing every threaded core to rotate simultaneously. For products with short thread engagement, eliminating the intermediate gear stage creates a more compact, more efficient, and more reliable unscrewing mechanism. However, this concept is not suitable for products with long thread engagement, because additional thread rotations require a much longer rack and significantly increase hydraulic cylinder stroke. Before mold opening, the hydraulic cylinder drives the rack to rotate all threaded cores and complete the unscrewing sequence. The mold then opens, allowing 2 large side actions to complete core pull before the ejector system releases the molded parts. Good mold design is not about using more mechanisms. It is about selecting the simplest mechanism that reliably meets production requirements. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo,